Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. Hope everybody's doing fantastic out there. You know something, I am very flabbergasted today in particular because I am seeing so many potential trade setups and setups for this coming week. It is literally blowing my mind, and of course it all depends on the type of time frame that you trade off of, because a lot of persons they trade off of the lower time frame, and then you got the ones from the higher time frame. But be that as it may, I want you to look at this particular currency pair right now, man. I want you to look carefully, babe. All right, this particular currency pair, this is the NZDJPY, right? New Zealand, the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. I want you to look carefully. This market has a habit of topping off of this area. Bing, bing, see that? 1, 2. Now, of course, this is from the higher time frame. But I want you to look at the overall scheme of things. This market, back in 2008, well, first of all, it was way up here and it came way down here. And then you have this movement here. And it appears that on the higher time frame, we talk about the monthly time frame, you have the market topping off of this resistance level, and it's like an ascending trend line potentially now, because I'm looking at historical price movement of what it has already been doing. So in a higher probable sense, of course, I see the market more than likely going all the way down here now. Now, a lot of persons going to get caught up in the noise, right? They can get caught up in the noise of, oh, the market is taking me out and all that. That's the ones who trade off of the lower time frame, and then they may be over leveraging. Because, you know, when you're scalping, if you want to make good money, you know, if your account's small now, you're gonna have to over leverage. You see, that's just the reality. But if you play it cool, calm, and collected, right, and you just use a higher time frame to trade off of, you can literally scale your account, you know. Because I am perceiving that this market is going to go all the way down here eventually, you know. Because I'm looking at historical price movement, but of course the market doesn't just drop all the way. You're going to have some down movement, some push-ups, some down movement. That's how the market moves. But eventually, the market's desire is to get to a particular area of support. Now, I would say this, right? I would say this, and I got to tell you, I want you to listen to me. Please hear me. Please, traders, or those who are thinking about trading Forex, I want you to know something. All the market is doing is going from a support level, see, support level, to a resistance level. All right, see, support level. When you look to the left, see that? Hard time breaking through. See, it came right back, bang, and then you have this ascending situation. So it tops off this level and moved and went all the way back up there. All the market is doing is going from support to resistance, and from resistance back to support. So no matter how much zigzagging and all these things happen, because within these moves, of course, are micro moves as well. This is the monthly time frame that we're trading off of. But you could see, based off of this candle alone, this is a huge bearish engulfing candle, and it happened at the area of historical resistance. And you see what? So this big candle should not be ignored. It should not be ignored, because this is a sign, and it engulfed, and we're talking about months of data. It engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. This candle wiped out all of that gain. We're talking bullish gain. So that should not be ignored. So now you have the slight push up, and then you got this right here. All right. So the market now is seeking to push down. But of course now it is at an area. It is at an area of support. So you might have a little friction there. You might have a little friction there. So what I'll do, I'll put right, bing. You might have a little friction there. But of course, right here, let me see, let me think. Alright, to play it safe, this here has some good support right there, because you got historical support, bam, right there, one. You got all of this, and you got this area right here. So that this is the 86.376 area. And we're talking about the area, not the zone. This is like a zone area, right? But of course this is the area itself where the market actually can go to based off of price movement. Alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scale down. I'm going to scale down to the weekly time frame and show you something. This market, in my humble opinion, based upon historical movement and what it's doing currently, is going to go down. You see what happened here? You see what happened here? I want you to see what happened here though. I want you to see what happened here. The market came down, push up, and see. Look at the wick. Look at the wick, the rejection from the week. So this is last week's candle, and you have this wick. So chances are, like I told you, all the market wants to do is to go from one area to the next area. So you got resistance, and then it's going to come down to support. This is support right here. This market going up right here. I'm telling you now, based on this strong rejection, this strong bearish rejection of last week, it shows that the market and it desires to be pushed down. The sellers are in charge. I want you to believe that. Don't mind these buyers trying to make people scared. Ain't nothing happening. Alright, so this market definitely gonna come here for sure. And I'm saying that not that I have some type of psychic, I'm some type of psychic, but I'm just saying it from a technically analytical perspective. I could see what the market, could see what happens. The candles tell a story. The candles tell a story. And you gotta be able to see what the candles are saying. You got to be able to see. Now watch this. The daily time frame. Keep your eye on that level. Keep your eye on that level, that 86.376 level. Watch this now. Watch the daily time frame. Pop. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? See the support level there? See the support level there? You see that support level? I rest my case. Look at the strong bearish push. I don't see no, trust me, I don't see no, you would be a fool to talk what you buying right now. Not off of this strong momentum. You got to trade with the momentum, because we don't push the market. It is those big boys that push. And we can see what the big boys want to do. Look what the big boys are doing. They are pushing the market down. And I'm telling you, if you got any sense, mate, if you got any sense, now mind you, you should have entered up here, to be honest, or even here and put your stop loss up there. However, if you want to risk it, you could probably wait for the market to potentially go to an area of resistance within this particular zone area, wherever it decides to push, and then of course take the trade when it pushes back, or you could enter with anticipation that the market is going to break this support level and continue on. But I'm telling you guys, this market coming right in this area. I telling y'all, I ain't asking y'all, I telling y'all based upon what I know. And it's also beneath the 20 simple moving average and the 200. So and you know the rule is, whenever you see price is beneath both, if you see price is beneath both, first of all, this, my mentor says the picture of power, because you have this price, very strong push beneath both. Come on, man. You can't, you'll be a fool to tell when you're buying. Now you might could catch a little scalp here and there to do it like that. Yeah, you could do that, but we ain't got time for that if you're trading off of the higher time frame. So if you enter off the daily, I would say that this market gonna come right, y'all. I anticipate, guys, we're talking long term now. Long term. I anticipate this market, and I can tell you all, mark my word, this market may come all the way down here to go right back up in the long term. So if you're investing, you just put in your positions and you could scale and all. And you just keep on selling as the market retraces. You catch the sell when you see the setup, and you just continue to ride the market down long term. I see that happening. Because see, these moves don't mean no short moves. You see this? These moves don't be short. Historically speaking, this pair trends for a long period of time. You see that? Long periods of time. Long periods of time. Long periods of time. So potentially a long period of time to get right there. I'm telling you guys. So this market is definitely going to go down. And if you want to hold long, you could even hold to this area here, and continue to hold if you want to invest. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying, guys. So that's all I gotta say with it. The NZD/JPY currency pair is going down, 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 down. Take care, guys.